basketball. You betcha I'm back in the building, ready to do it again and again and again. In the gym, ready to give you what you need to succeed, guaranteed. Make sure you hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. It is the Daily Trainer. Always so happy to be here with you. And let's make sure we know what we're doing each day to get better as a basketball player. All right, let's get into it. It's been a while. It's been a while since we really started our workouts with dribbling. So here's what we're going to do. We are going to start it with stationary dribble. We got our right hand pounds low. We got our right hand pounds mid. And we got our right pounds high. Okay. And we're going to do that with our left hand as well. Making sure it's low, making sure it's at a mid-level, and then it's high. We're gonna go 15 seconds each dribble. Then we're gonna go our pound cross, okay? Then from our pound cross, we're just gonna go regular cross. And then we're going to pound through the legs. All this is stationary, okay? And then we're gonna go through the same leg. So now we're going through the legs and we're going through the same leg, okay? 15 seconds each for every single dribbling drill. And then we're going to pound and alternate through the legs, and then we're going to go pound through the legs behind the back. Okay, we're gonna go behind the back, which one it's a little difficult at times. And then our last one is going to be through the legs, crossing over. Okay, so we're gonna do all those stationary, 15 seconds each. Remember, we want to work our ball control. Yes, it's nice that we can do the move, but it's also important to be able to control the basketball, because at any point in time, your defender can reach unexpectedly to poke that ball away. So you want to make sure you have the best ball handling control you can have when it comes to dribbling. Okay, so now we're going to move just a little bit on our dribbling. Okay, let's go ahead and utilize some of those same moves. Okay, we're gonna go through the legs, cross on the move. We're gonna cross over and go through the legs on the move. We're gonna go through the legs behind the back. We're gonna go behind the back cross. And our last one is going to be crossover through the legs. Okay, so all of those dribbling combinations will be effective on the move. So we wanna get you moving. We want to get you grooving, and we want to get your handle very secure and for sure when you're dribbling that basketball. We proceed into continuing our dribbling. We want to now work our zigzag dribbles, okay? And here you're just going to be at the bottom of the baseline, starting in the corner. If you were to think about how we do zigzags defensively, it's the same motion. You're dribbling to the block, crossing over, dribbling to the sideline, crossing over, dribbling to the top of the three, crossing over, dribbling to the corner half court, and then full dribble sprint down back to the beginning again. So we're going to do this 3 times each. First move, we got our crossover. Second move, we have our through the legs, and then we have our behind the back. Okay, this is going to get you to slowly work that ball in different directions up the floor. And then when you have pressure on you, it will also help you protect the ball and make quicker reads when you're changing direction. So this is an important drill to do at 95 to 100%. The reason I say 95 instead of just strictly 100 is sometimes you have to kind of ease into it to learn the drill or understand it. So just want to make sure you won't understand that we're still going to go hard and make the mistake, and then you'll be corrected along the way. All right. Now, after doing that, we got to throw our full court dribble in. Okay. We're going to push that basketball either hand, and then we're just going to finish that layup. All right. Then lastly, with our dribbling, we are going to wave dribble. Okay. Wave dribble. Using that wave dribble, we are going to attack the outside, and then also using that wave dribble, we are going to attack the inside with the counter. Okay, this is going to be game effective, get you game ready as you are trying to move a defender out of their area of comfort zone so that you can attack them to give yourself a better option, whether it's pulling up or it's getting by enough to create a little body contact finish or create body contact for separation to get a high percentage shot within the key. All right, so doing that drill, and go ahead and go to the free throw line. And after you go to the free throw line, I want you to make 5 free throws. With those 5 free throws, let's see if you can swish them. If not, just make them. All right. Then go to the side and get a water. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and like the workout, because you're probably breathing hard thinking, man, what else do I have to do? Well, you got plenty more to do. Let's go, basketball you. Okay, now we're gonna get some shooting form in. So let's get some shooting form. Remember, we're just gonna shoot 5 at each spot, 5 with no backboard, and then 5 with backboard. Okay, just get that form nice and smooth, make it consistent. And then as we prepare to get ready to shoot, you just wanna make sure your rhythm is good, even though you're not jumping. And you just want enough air on the ball to see it go in consistently, to know that you can make these shots when you start to get tired here shortly for the drill we're about to do. Okay, so with the drill, we're gonna put those couple cones out, okay? And remember, we are going to dribble with a simple move, pull up, then we'll use our counter, pull up. We can use a retreat dribble and pull up as well, but you're gonna use those 3 cones to attack the mid-range, and then also attack the 3, just making 3 at each spot. And then after that, what I want is, I want to do it on the go again, but I want jump shots. So you're gonna go on the go, looking for a pull-up jump shot, okay? That's important. I'm also looking for a counter to go the opposite way when the defense sags or decides to load up on one side, seeing that the kick up is coming that way and it's being scored on efficiently. So that's important for you to know as well. Have the option to counter or pull up for a mid-range jump shot in the dribble drive, okay? Now, the next thing that's important is being able to hit the 3 off the dribble, okay? Can you hit the 3 off the dribble? Well, it all depends on how you load into the shot. Are you going to go at your pace, or are you going to go full speed to learn how to break down, to slow it down to your pace of shot, but also still putting enough pressure on the defender to get to realize that you are going to pull up for 3 before it's too late? Okay, so that's kind of what you want when you're doing this drill. You don't want to ease into the 3. You want to speed into it and work on stopping and popping. All right, I'm sure you've heard that term before if you're a basketball fan. All right, basketball you. The last thing we're going to do today is condition. Yes, I know, conditioning, that's crazy. But we're going to zigzag and sprint on the defensive end. We're going to do key slides, which is another good defense but conditioning drill as well. And the goal today is 22. If you want to push yourself past 22, great. But 22 is a good marker for just the average person de-sliding. And that's working hard, of course. And then our last one is definitely going to be agility, quick feet work. Everything is going to be 40 seconds today, though. So you're going to be chopping those feet for 40 seconds and then also simultaneously moving them back and forth and side to side for 40 seconds. So we're going to go 4 sets of those. And basketball you, that's it. That's all I got for you today. And just remember, someone's always working. Are you?